Today, I will show you someone who stopped doing anything 4 months ago, but is still making $25,000 a month. How you can replicate that success and also make even more money thanks to this tool, I will show you near the end of this video. This is a free and worldwide available strategy, and this is very easy to do. If you're interested, then stay tuned. Now, just before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Alright guys, so today we will be using YouTube to make some good money online, and not only will I show you someone doing the same thing you will do and making a lot of money, but I will also show you a way you can maximize your results and earn even more money. And so you really want to stick around and keep watching. Anyways, the channel I want to go over with you today is called Gaming Sound FX, and as the name suggests, the owner of this channel basically uploads copyright-free sound effects on their channel, and as you can see, most of these videos are less than 5 seconds long, and they literally contain no video but a simple image, and making a video like that is absurdly easy, and that is one of the reasons you will want to create them. Another big reason you want to make them is because you don't have to upload that often whatsoever. The last video uploaded on this channel was literally 4 months ago, and you can see, based on how old these videos are, the owner uploaded generally like 10 to 20 sound effects per month, which is simply not a lot because, as I said, individually, these videos are not longer than 5 seconds 90% of the time. Yet another reason you want to create these videos, however, is that they are popular, as simple as that. These latest videos all got hundreds of thousands of views, which is of course not that special, but if you check out the most popular videos from this channel, you will see that they have gotten not thousands, but millions of views. The most popular video got 14 million, as you can see. This one here got 12 million, this one got 9 million, 8.6 million, and so on. You get the point. These sound effects videos are hugely popular because they are used by other content creators on YouTube a lot, and I will show you why we can use that to our advantage later on to make even more money. In summary, making these videos is easy, they are popular, so you can make quite a bit of money creating them, and you won't have to upload them that often whatsoever. Now, as far as where you can obtain these sound effects, I want you guys to keep watching because I will literally show you everything, from where to obtain the audio to where you can find these kinds of simple images, so stay tuned. Anyhow, just before I show you that, I want to cover one last thing, which is money. So how much money are we talking about here? Because I know that some of you must have been skeptical seeing the title of this video, but check this out. This channel, despite the fact that the last video was 4 months ago, is making between $3,000 and $56,000 per month in passive income. Since the numbers are in between most of the time, that means we're talking about no less than $25,000 a month. So as you can see, you can make a lot of money creating those videos. Even if you haven't uploaded anything in a while, you can still expect some very decent numbers nonetheless. And with all of that said and done, guys, now that you have seen how much money there is to be made here, let me show you how to create these videos, and we will start off with the sound effects. The first platform you can use to download the sound effects is called soundbible.com. On this site, you can find thousands upon thousands of different sound effects, and what you need to do in order to find sound effects that you can use in your videos is click on royalty-free sounds right over here. And what royalty-free means is that you can use these sound effects however you want to, and more importantly for us, you can get monetized on YouTube using them, meaning that you can make money off of them basically. Anyways, what you will now need to do is simply pick one of these sounds that you want to download and use for your video. What you can also do is go over to this channel and see what he is uploading and search for the same thing. You can, for example, search for mouse click, and as you can see, this site will now display these sound effects that you can use. You can preview the sound effect by clicking on the play button, and if you like what you hear, then simply click on the sound in question, and then click here to download it in the MP3 format, or here to download it in the WAV audio format if you so wish, but I would generally recommend you guys go with MP3. And by the way, when searching for sound effects to use, make sure the audio file isn't too long. It should be 7 to 8 seconds long at most, but you generally want it at around 5 seconds most of the time. In any case, this was the first site where you can obtain sound effects. The second one here I've actually shown in some of my previous videos, and it's called freesound.org. And this site works very much like the previous one. You can either search for the sound you want here, or you can just click on sounds here and see what pops up. Once again, I will go with the mouse click example. When I searched for that, this site showed me over 400 of these sound effects that I can choose from, as you can see. Once again, what you can do is click right here to preview the sound in question. If you like it, just open it up, and then click on the download button right here to download it to your PC. Now, once you have your sound effect for your first video, guys, whether you downloaded it from Free Sounds here or Sound Bible, you will now want to head over to the next platform where you will be able to obtain the images for your video. And there is no platform better for that than Google. All that you will need to do to find a similar image to what this person is using in the video is type in sound on Google and then select images. Now, before you go along and download any one of these, you will want to click on Tools here, then click on Usage Rights, then select Creative Commons Licenses. This is very important because Google will now display images to us that we can use freely on YouTube without having copyright problems. And yes, you will be able to monetize our channel. What you will now want to do is pretty straightforward. Just pick any one of these images. Here is this one I opened up, and it's very similar to what that person is using. To download this to my PC, all I will need to do is right-click and then select Save Image As so I can download it to my PC. Once you download your image of choice, guys, it's now time for you to head over to the next platform we will be using called Clideo.com. This is a site that will allow us to combine the image and audio together so that we can create a 5-second or so long video that we can then upload onto YouTube. What you will need to do so that you combine the two is click on Video Maker right over here. On the next page, you will have to click on Choose Files here and then open up that image that you downloaded previously. Once you do so, you will be taken to the editor, and it's here where you will be able to add the audio by clicking on the Add Audio button, which will be somewhere here. I, as you can see, have already done so as to not prolong this video. In any case, once you add the audio, you will just need to click on Export here to save this video to your PC. And as you've seen, combining the video and audio literally took like a couple of minutes. And now that you have your video, you will be able to upload it onto YouTube. And now we've reached the bonus I have for you guys, with which you will be able to make far more money. And that bonus involves this site here called file-upload.com. And let me explain what this is and how it will make us money. What this site is, as the name suggests, is a place where you can upload various files. But it differs from other similar sites in that you will actually get paid whenever someone downloads a file you have uploaded onto here, because the person wanting to download the file will first see a bunch of ads, and the ad revenue will be split between you and this website. Now this begs the question, what files will we upload on here? Well, our sound effect files that we have uploaded onto YouTube, as some of you know, content creators will make up the majority of the audience on our videos, since they are using sound effects like the ones we will upload all the time in our own videos, and they will obviously want to download them so that they can actually use them in the first place. And this is how we will be using file upload in order to make money. You will want to upload the sound effects onto this site, and then leave that link in the description of your own video. Whenever someone wishes to download the sound effect in question, they will click on that link, see a few ads, and you will get paid. Anyways, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you are enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.